Bread is often labeled as a guilty pleasure in the world of healthy eating. But what if one type of bread could rewrite that narrative? Enter sourdough, an ancient form of bread that's been nourishing people for centuries. Its fermentation process not only creates a delicious, tangy flavor, but also makes it far healthier and easier to digest than regular bread. Sourdough bread is not just a trend. It's a tradition that dates back thousands of years. Before commercial yeast was a thing, people relied on wild yeast and bacteria to leaven their bread, creating the sourdough we know today. This ancient method is making a comeback in modern kitchens, thanks to its health benefits and natural simplicity. But what sets sourdough apart from the bread you find on grocery store shelves? Let's find out why this age-old technique is gaining newfound respect in the health-conscious world. Bread has been a dietary staple for centuries, but modern bread often comes with issues. Gluten intolerance. Many people struggle to digest gluten, which is abundant in traditional bread made with refined wheat, additives, and preservatives. Commercial breads are often loaded with chemical additives, stabilizers, and artificial flavors to extend shelf life. Nutritional loss. Refined flours used in most bread strip away essential nutrients, leaving behind a product that's calorie-dense and nutritionally poor. Rapid fermentation. The fast-rise commercial yeast process doesn't allow enough time for the dough to break down complex carbohydrates, which can lead to bloating and other digestive issues. These issues have led many to avoid bread altogether. But what if there was a way to enjoy bread without these problems? Enter sourdough. Sourdough bread stands out because of its unique fermentation process. Let's take a closer look at why this ancient method makes sourdough a healthier option. Easier digestion. The wild yeast and lactic acid bacteria in sourdough break down gluten during fermentation, which reduces its level significantly. For people with mild gluten sensitivities, this makes sourdough much gentler on the stomach compared to traditional bread. Better nutrient absorption. Sourdough fermentation neutralizes phytic acid, an anti-nutrient found in wheat that inhibits the absorption of key minerals like magnesium, iron, and zinc. This process allows your body to extract more nutrients from the bread. Gut health benefits. The lactic acid bacteria in sourdough create prebiotics, which feed beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy gut microbiome is crucial for overall health, supporting digestion, immunity, and even mental well-being. Lower glycemic index. Sourdough bread digests more slowly than traditional bread, causing a steadier rise in blood sugar. This makes it a better option for managing energy levels and even for people with diabetes. No artificial additives. Authentic sourdough is made with just 3 ingredients: flour, water, and salt. There are no preservatives, stabilizers, or artificial flavors, just real food. Longer shelf life. Thanks to its natural acidity, sourdough resists mold growth and stays fresh longer without the need for artificial preservatives. Unique flavor profile. Beyond the health benefits, sourdough's signature tangy taste comes from the lactic acid produced during fermentation, creating a flavor that's unmatched by commercial bread. By allowing the dough to ferment for hours, or even days, sourdough becomes a bread that's more nutritious and gut-friendly. And the best part? You can make it right in your kitchen. A recent study published in the Journal of Nutritional Science found that the lactic acid bacteria in sourdough improves mineral absorption, particularly calcium and iron. This means sourdough doesn't just taste better, it actively supports better health. Nutritionists also agree that sourdough's prebiotic properties promote gut health, making it a standout choice compared to its processed counterparts. Sourdough bread combines history, flavor, and science into a package that's hard to beat. From being easier to digest to delivering key nutrients, it's no wonder this bread is winning over health-conscious eaters worldwide. If you're looking for bread that's better for your body and your taste buds, sourdough is the way to go. Have you tried making sourdough bread at home? Share your experience or tips in the comments. Thank you for watching. Please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe. Check out our other videos and keep your body in balance with the Balanced Body Project.